Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about the class mammals. Mammals were evolved in the Triassic period of the Mesozoic era. Cenozoic era is also known as Golden Age of mammals. The members of this class are cosmopolitan. These are highly developed animals. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. A horizontal dimorphism is present in the body cavity of all the members of this class without any exceptions. This diaphragm is present in between the thorax and abdomen. The diaphragm helps in respiration, defecation and patrutition. Body is covered by a coat of hair made up of keratin called pelage. Skin of animals is thick, waterproof and glandular. So many types of glands are present in skin as sweat glands, oil glands, sebaceous glands and mammary glands. Mammary glands are modified as sweat glands and are found in females of baby feeding. So on this basis of this, the class Mammalia was so named. Mostly horns are present at head, nails at digits, claws or hoofs are found which provide protection. Two pairs of limbs are present in trunk. Limbs are pentadactyly which helps in swimming, walking, running, etc. Hind limbs are absent in Cetacea and Sirenia. Alimentary canal is completed. Its proximal end is called mouth and the distal end is called anus. Anus and the urogenital apparatus are separated. Cloaca is absent. Exception members of Prototheria have cloaca. Teeth are fixed in sockets in the buccal cavity. So teeth are called as tecodont. Teeth are of four types. That is, such type of teeth are called as heterodont teeth. Teeth come out two times in a lifespan in most of the animals, so these are also called diphyodont teeth. Suspensorium of their jaws is carneostylic type. Bone. Lower jaw is made up of dentary bone. Respiration is by one pair of gills enclosed in a pleural cavity. Larynx or sound organ is found in the neck region for the production of sound. Heart is four-chambered. Dual circulatory system is present in these organisms. No sinus venosus is present. Only left aorta arch is present. RBC are small, circular and non-nucleated except family Llama and camel which has nucleated RB. Endoskeleton is bony, skull is dicondylic, vertebrate are amphiplatean type, that is centrium is flat at both sides. Cartilaginous pads are found at the edges of centrum and are called as epiphyses. Neck is having 7 cervical vertebrae except sloth has 9 or 10 cervical vertebrae and sea cow manatees has 6 cervical vertebrae. Ribs are beefed. One pair of metanephric kidneys are situated in abdominal cavity. These animals are ureotelic. Brain is comparatively large and highly developed. Cerebrum and cerebellum are very complex in structure and highly developed. A special structure is present for the connection of both the cerebral hemisphere of the brain, that is called corpus callosum. Optical lobes are 4 in number and are solid. All the 4 optic lobes, collectively known as Corpora quadrigemina. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. External ear is present in the form of ear pinna. Malus, incus, and steps are the three ear ossicles in middle ear. Cloaca of internal ear is highly coiled spirally. Mammals are unisexual animals. Testes of males are situated in the suctorial sacs. A distinct penis is present in males for copulation. Ovaries and a reduced penis is found in females. Fertilization is internal and it takes place in fallopian tubes. Eggs are developed in uterus, embryonic membrane, amnion, chorion, and allantois, and yolk sac are found in embryo. So there are group amniota. Eggs are elliptical and microelliptical or homoelliptical, but eggs of prototherians are megalliptical. Embryo is attached through the uterus of mother by placenta, so these animals are also called placental animals. Placenta helps in the nutrition, respiration and excretion of embryo. Mostly mammals are viviparous, which give birth to their young ones. Some animals are oviparous like prototherians, and some animals are oviparous like metatherians. Parent care is well marked in mammals. Mother feeds the child by milk secreted by her mammary glands and looks after her child. Mammals are warm-blooded and homeothermic and endothermic animals. Now let us discuss the classification of mammals. Living mammals are classified into two subclasses, that are Prototheria and Theria. Now let us first discuss about Prototheria. In this subclass, primitive egg-laying mammals are included. Eggs are large, yolky and shelled. Mammary glands are without nipples. Gynecomastism is found in these animals, that is, male and female both feed their child. Mammary glands are functional in males and females both. Cloaca is present. Testes in males are situated inside the body in abdominal cavity. Pinnae are absent and cloaca is less coiled. Corpus callosum is absent in brain. A toothless honey beak is found in adult animals, but teeth are present in childhood. These are partially homothermic animals. Members of this subclass are found in Australia, New Guinea and Tasmania. Only one order, Monodermata, is included in this class. It forms a connective link between reptiles and mammals. Examples of this class are duck-billed platypus, and these have poison glands, are found in male platypus, and another example is Echinidia, and it is also called as a spiny anteater. Now let us discuss another class, Theria. These are viviparous animals. Embryo is attached with uterus of mother by placenta. Mammary glands with nipple are present. Cloaca is absent. Testes are situated in suctorial sacs. Pinnae are present in cloaca, is much coiled. Corpus callosum is present. Teeth are also present in these organisms. They are found in adults and children both. Again, this classified into the classification of mammals subclass into Prototheria comes under primitive reptile like oviparous or egg-laying animals, and order is called Monodermata. Monodermata means monos means single plus dermata means opening, means local opening present confined at Australian regions. Examples of monodermatas are platypus or duckbill and spiny anteater or Echinidia. Now next subclass Theria. Subclass Theria subdivided into two living infraclasses. One is Metatheria, meta between or after, pouched or viviparous animals with or without rudimentary yolk sac placenta, confined mostly in Australian region. and comes under order of this class is Marsupialia. Born in a very immature state and complete the development attached to teats in or nipples in the abdominal pouch or marsupium. Usually 3 premolars and 4 molars in each jaw on either side is present in these organisms. Vagina doubled. Examples of this are marsupials, kangaroo, cloaca. Kangaroo is found in native Australia. And again second order is Eutheria. Eutheria means U means true and theria means breast. Higher viviparous placental mammals without marsupium, young born in a relative advanced stage. Dentition nerve excites in Eutherians consists the vast majority of living mammals arranged in 16 orders. Now order T3 Insectivora. Insectum means insect, orer means to eat. Small mammals with long pointed snout. Feet plantigate, usually 5-toed with claws. Moral teeth present with pointed pledge-like cups for insect feedings. Examples of this order are mole, tapla, common screw, squalidon, hedgehogs, etc. Now let us order 4. Order 4 is also called as Chiroptera. Chirops means hand, pteron means wings. Flying mammals or birds in which forelimbs are modified into wings comes under this order Chiroptera. Hind legs short and are included in wing membrane. Now order 5. Order 5 is Dermoptera. Derma means skin, pteron means again wing. Dermopteran means in these organisms nocturnal in trees, a glittering mammal called flying lemur resembling a flying squirrel. Examples: one living genus with 2 species found in Southeastern Asia. Order 6. Edentata. Edentata teeth absent or reduced to molars without enamel. Examples: giant ant, cater, armadillo, etc. Now order 7. Foliodata. In these organisms, body covered with large overlapping scales with spare hair in between. No teeth is present in these organisms. Long and prostrubial is present and it is used to capture insects. Examples is single genus of scaly anteaters. Tubulidentata. Tubulidentata is an example of single genus of pig-like aardvark or cap anteater which is present in South Africa. Order 9. Primates. Primates are mostly generalized or primitive mammals except for the great development of brain. Mostly arboreal mammals and Anthropodia. This includes in subclass Anthropodia is further divided into divisions infraorder Platyrrhenia and Catyrrhenia. Next order 10. Rodentia. Rodentia are the large order including usually small gnawing mammals. Each jaw is present with one pair of long rootless sisal-like incisors growing throughout the life cycle. No canines are present in these mammals. Example: rats, mouse, squirrels, etc. Order Lagomorpha. Lagomorpha is again second pair of small upper incisor mammals behind first pair of large sisal-like incisors. No canines are present in these mammals. Examples of this order are rabbit, hare, pig, pica, etc. Order 11. Cetaceae. Cetacea are large marine fish-like mammals well adapted for aquatic life. Pectoral limb modified into broad pedal-like slippers. Tail divided into two broad horizontal fleshy flukes with a nock used in propulsion. No claws, no hind limbs, and no external ears are present in these mammals. The living of Cetacea and again divided into suborders like toothed whales and male bone whales. Order 13 is Sirenia. Sirenia is a large clumsy herbivorous aquatic mammals with paddle-like forelimbs and no hind limbs are present, and a flattened tail with horizontal laterally fleshy flukes with or without a notochord. No external ears are present in these mammals. Muzzle blunt, hair is few, stomach is complex, inhabitant estuarians and coastal areas. Examples of this are dugong, manatee, and sea cow, etc. Order 4 Carnivore. Carnivore are small to large predatory flesh-eating animals. Examples like dogs, wolves, jackals, vultures, common seal, etc. Order 15. Order 15 is called as Hyracoidine. Hyracoidine is categorized into small Junian pig-like mammals distinctly related to elephants. No canines are present in these mammals. Cheek teeth is lophodont. Examples of these are conines from South Africa, Syria and Arabia, etc. Next order is Proboscideaceae. Proboscideaceae means probo means in front, bos is to eat. Large living land animals having large heads, massive ears, thick partially hairless skins, bulky straight legs and 3 to 5 toes with small nail-like hoofs. In these mammals, conspicuous features is the nose and upper limb modified as an elongated flexible proboscis or trunk. Two upper incisors elongated as Viori tusk. Cheek teeth is lophodont and examples are Indian and Asian or African elephant. Now order 17. Order 17 is Periscodactylia. The odotoid of hoofed mammals or ungulates have an odd number of toes. They are present in both jaws. Example horse, wild ass, zebra, etc. Ariodactyla. Order 8 Ariodactyla, the even-toed hoofed mammals having an even number of toes, 2 or 3 incisor and canines in upper jaws usually lacking. Stomach food chambered, many of antlers or horns. Examples of this order are pigs, common hippopotamus and deer, camel, musk deer, sheep, etc.